Hey everyone, I'm Omar Khalik and I'm an integration consultant at Venn Technology. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite features of Workato called configuration parameters. Configuration parameters are a great way to allow business users to go into a recipe, change some settings without impacting the core of the recipe and risk breaking some logic. Here I've created a recipe that posts a message to Slack every time a Salesforce opportunity is closed won. This recipe can toggle between production and test environments, as well as toggle whether or not we want it to send emails. To bring up the config menu, you first need to be on the recipe edit screen. Once there, press Ctrl, Shift, and P on your keyboard to bring up the menu. Here, you create the JSON schema for your parameters. I already customized the schema for this example. If you need a reference, you can copy the example Workato provides and paste that in. For additional help, you can refer to the Workato docs on schema building. I've created 3 fields: email recipient that controls who we want to send emails to, enable email send that toggles on and off the functionality of sending emails from Workato, and environment that tells Workato whether or not to run in production mode or in test mode. Once you finish creating your schema, hit the save button and you will see the fields you just created, as well as a new option towards the bottom of the recipe where you can bring up these fields at any time. I can quickly change which environments the recipe is running in by toggling those fields on the config menu. For each email step, I'm sending an email to the same group of people. If I want to add an email, rather than adding it to each step, I can add that email to the config step. The same thing goes for removing an email. All right, Bjorn, I added you to the email list. I hope this Workato in a Minute tip was helpful for you and your organization. Happy automating.